What's that? We're listening to the sound desensitization CD. So we've got car noises. Puppies! Pups! Come here, puppies! Come here, puppies! I know. Hi, Mia. Hi, babies! That's okay. That's the way it should be. This is safety zone when you hear these noises, huh? And it's our first time. Huh? Hey, Mom, why are we on the freeway?